Here we go. We got Cookie. Here, Chipmunk. This is what you run into when you're pulling carpet off a deck. In some places, it comes up pretty good. In some cases, the padding separating from the backing of the carpet, separating from the carpet itself, sticking to the deck. And it is fun to get off, isn't it, Cook?
Yeah, it is.
He said, yeah, it is.
Especially at 4:30 on a Thursday evening right before Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And we can't be sitting on the lake.
Merry Christmas.
With a little bit of gizzard shad and some blueback herons on the bottom waiting for a big blue to bite.
So I give him what you say, folks, maybe 5 or 6 more hours. He might as well spend the night. You better call your wife and tell her you ain't gonna be home for dinner. Oh, but this is how it's done, folks. There's not an easy way to do this. If you've ever skinned a squirrel, we trying to skin a chipmunk. Squirrel got tough hide, chipmunk got tough hide. They don't want to separate, and it is fun. What I did when I had literally the carpet pulling through to the backing on squirrel that I did not show you guys, I took a torch and I melted this. And when you melt it, it'll kind of come up a little bit easier. Then I took some 80 grit sandpaper and sanded it up. But the best thing to do is torch all these little polyester fibers. But you can see the carpet there where all the wear, right in front of the console. He left all the carpet there. That middle will be a tough cookie to crack. All this comes off pretty easy. All this was underneath a piece of aluminum here, but this was underneath the seats. So it was out of the sun and out of the weather for the most part. It came up relatively easy. But over here is a different story. This is still damp. No, that's not damp. That's just the glue. Looked damp. It was damp in several places, but this is a carpet, and there's just not an easy way to get this up that I have found. If y'all know of an easy way to pull this up, then by all means, put it in the comment below. And again, if you decide to tear one apart, I just want you to understand kind of what you're getting yourself into, where you're gonna have the hiccups and where you're gonna have the problems with it. So the carpet is the hardest part.